This is luxury, darling. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl D. I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If you enjoy this type of content, I do hope that you like my video. It really helps YouTube boost my video as well. I do hope that you subscribe and become part of my little family. Please do share this video, and yeah, let's get into the video. Before we get into the details of the actual video, I would like to thank ogbags.ru for sponsoring this video. Yeah. You know the vibes. I was super excited to be working with them. So they sent me a bag, and love her. So I'm gonna have everything in the description box, from their contact, their website, and the link to the bag, so you can just get everything down here and get your bag. So ogbags.ru sell replica designer items. Like I said, replica, but the quality is really great. I saw this bag, I was just like, oh my gosh, it is so cute. And I'm a person who loves tote bags, so when they approached me, and I was just like, you know what, let's do this. So yeah, I would like to thank them for sponsoring this video, and you can also save a little bit with my discount code. So you can get 10% off on any purchase using my code RUMBID01. I repeat, RUMBID01 to get your 10% discounts. So let's get into the video. So they sent me this so this bag is the Christian Dior D-Lite tote bag. It came in this box, super cute. Love the packaging. I'm never gonna get rid of this. Like, love the packaging. So let's open the pack. I already opened the package myself because I was so excited, but yeah, let me open the package with you guys. So the bag comes with the shopping bag, your Christian Dior shopping bag. Okay, there you go. Love this. Like that. And then they also put the receipts in here. And then you get your, this is like your card. Like, there's a mini sachet here that has a card that says Christian Dior. Like a Mary Macaroni, Billie Jeans, Christian Dior.
Macaroni, Billie Jean, hey, Christian Dior, Dior.
I'm so silly. The next thing in here, in the little mini packet, is also like a card. I don't know what this card is, but yeah. And then it also comes with like a manual in this as well. The manual is mainly about it's a maintenance guide, how to maintain your bag and all of the details. Then it also comes with your, what is this? Oh my god, I forgot the name. Yo guys, this is so embarrassing. But this is like a mini bag where you can keep your bag in. What is it called? And I was, sir, for the star of the show, can you get a round of applause, please? Guys. Wow. Like, what? I don't even know what to say. Like, I really don't know. This bag is stunning. Look at that. It's definitely my type of bag. It's giving grown woman. It's giving you got your shit together. It's giving everything. Oh my god, it's really giving. Love her. So I want to show you what is inside. This is my first time like actually taking it out so I can use it. So this is how the inside looks like. comes with the belt as well. Oh, Dior. So you can like carry it as a sling bag, on like, and then you just hook it on either side. But this is the belt that it comes with. Love it. And then the inside of the bag has like one or two, no, it has like 2 compartments, which is super cool. And the quality is insane, guys. If I tell you that this bag is actually heavy, there is nothing in here but it's heavy. But I love her. I love. I really hope that you like it. I love her. Stunning. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of content, please do let me know in the description box. Maybe I might just be coming in with, you know, a lot more videos. But anyway, thank you guys so much. For all the details, please do check out my description box. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll see you on my next video.